Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you 4 features of Gmail that will help you. First one is undo send. The undo feature in Gmail allows you to retract a sent email within a brief window, typically around 5 to 30 seconds. After hitting the send button, it provides a brief opportunity to correct mistakes or make changes before the email is actually delivered. Second one is priority inbox. Now Gmail will automatically categorize and prioritize your email based on importance, making it easier to manage your inbox. To set up priority inbox in Gmail, go to settings, click on see all settings, navigate to the inbox tab, choose priority inbox from the inbox type drop down menu, customize sections and settings as per your preferences and save changes. Third one is confidential mode. To set up confidential mode in Gmail, compose a new Gmail. Click on the clock and padlock icon at the bottom of the compose window. Choose expiration and access settings for your email. Optionally, set a passcode for added security. Send your email with confidential mode activated. This feature adds an extra layer of control to your sensitive emails, allowing you to limit access and prevent forwarding or copying. Last one is to schedule an email in Gmail. Compose your email. Instead of clicking send, click the drop down arrow next to it. Choose schedule send. Pick a date and time. Confirm by clicking schedule send. Your email will be sent automatically at the scheduled time, allowing you to plan and organize your communication.